Hey guys, it's December 3rd, 2018. It's a pretty sunny day here in Seattle. And one thing I see that changed is the snowdrops. So you can see this regular variety snowdrop has sprouted. And that kind of makes sense because they're always one of the first one to come out. And this one is the same. Yeah, don't see any other different things. Some of the smaller daffodils have sprouted as well. You can see that one's probably grape hyacinth. Oh, and these grape hyacinth, you can see more sproutings on the other side too. And one interesting thing is the peony. You can see some little dormant sprouts at the surface of the soil. Those are going to come out during the spring. And the saffron, you can see some smaller saffron bulbs have sprouted on the surface. So I'm gonna cover them with some soil. And yeah, other than that, everything looks pretty much the same. The grapes, you can see the leaves are getting away now. The wildflower is still going, just like this one. Strawberries, leaves are turning yellow now. Hydrangea too, you can see this guy, the leaves are turning yellow. This one too. The raspberry, actually you can see some flowers on this guy, but don't think it's really gonna work for it because it's winter now. And asparagus, rhubarb, all dormant now. Cat lily too. Artichoke, saffron, all look really happy. And dahlia, gonna put that away soon. And one very interesting thing for indoor garden is the spider plants. You can see this spider plant is flowering even though it's just in water. I'm really surprised. Yeah, and the orchids are just growing really well. You can see some flowers over there, and here's a lot more of the Oncidium twinkle. Yeah, everything else looks pretty much the same. This darkbone fern, this is the new leaf. You can see it's coming up nicely. And you can see some more new leaves that's gonna come out from the base. And for the succulents, this guy is doing pretty well. Some new leaves are coming out nicely, like this one over here, and a few more in here that's tangled with other leaves. And then the succulents over here is doing well too. And the string of pearls, it's very healthy. And the pineapple is looking good too. New leaves are coming out. And let's look at the succulents I planted in the vermiculite. Right here, you can see this one has rooted. I'm gonna put it back in the soil later. This one has also rooted. And then this guy hasn't rooted. As you can kind of see from the leaves too, it's not doing too well. And the prayer plant, I put it in to a bigger container. You can see it has rooted nicely, and it just looks really cute. It's a tiny pear plant. And this orchid, Phalaenopsis, you can see that flower spike is getting longer now. And on the other side, you can see the roots attaching really nicely to the board. Yeah, other than that, all the plants that are hanging is looking very nice. The spider plant is going crazy with the baby plants.